Hi, I'm Young, and last night we have some news, some rumors, leaks from one of my favorite brands out there, DJI. So I was looking at Twitter accounts Uzita LV as well as Kanjazi, and we have some leaks. The very rumored latest release from DJI. So what is it? The long-awaited FPV drone.
The absolute freedom of flying like a bird is a long-held dream of mankind. Flying FPV drones is a thrilling experience and brings you closer to this than anything else.
I'm really excited because finally DJI seems like they might be releasing the complete FPV package. So for somebody like me who has zero experience in FPV, it's a little bit of less scary experience, because I don't have to then build my own drone. Although there may be some benefit of actually building your own drone, but it sure looks like an exciting product. So I'm gonna tell you guys all we know from online, what we may be expecting in about a month's time from DJI. So let's get the pictures rolling. And in this picture, in the box, you can see the FPV drone, the complete drone with the camera, as well as a remote control and FPV goggle, where you can actually see the image transmitted directly from the drone. The FPV goggle looks exactly the same as DJI FPV system that they had released earlier, the same goggle. However, in another further leak, the goggle at the side, it seems to be saying version 2. So it may be an improved version of the initial goggle. And inside the box, the drone looks very steady looking. Not foldable, the wings are fixed. So in this other picture, it looks rather sort of chunky. Steady looking, looked really robust. So the drone looks rather chunky, but we'll have to see whether it can take all those challenges and obstacles. I'm so curious to find that out. So in the camera, we would expect 4K 60 frames per second for recording. The 3-blade propeller, as you can see, the length is 5-inch, 12.7 centimeters. And the image transmission between the goggle and the drone would be at 720p, as was the case with the initial FPV goggle that DJI has. The max speed of the drone is expected at 120 to 150 kilometers per hour, very fast. And the battery would be 6S batteries. Just as a comparison, the Mavic Air 2 has LiPo 3S and Mini 2 has LiPo 2S. So 6S, a lot of juice. And the expected flight time is 20 minutes. The camera, it's the built-in FPV camera. Obviously, you can see that here. And the tilt angle will be adjustable with the remote control. I mean, you can see this dude already playing with it. And this other picture, you can actually see someone already test flying it. I'm so excited to see what kind of footage it will have for like the advertisement and so on. And the usual for DJI drones, it will have the GPS for return to home function. And in the picture, you can see the forward 2 sensors just below the camera, as well as it will have the downward obstacle avoidance system sensor installed as well. So now it seems that all the reliable leaks are out. So when would we be expecting this product release? Within about a month. Usually that's how the leaks and the product release work. So how about the price? That's probably the most important thing to talk about. The price in the Kanjazi website, it says the RMB cost is expected at 9,688, and that translates into the US dollar 1,500. Take my bank account. Okay, so when you compare that price against the DJI FPV system that they had released without that complete drone set, just the transmitter, goggle, and the RC, that's now going at just under 1,000 USD. So now with the complete, drone and also improved goggle and so on, the price level of 1,500 actually makes sense. I wish it's cheaper, but it makes sense. So let's see if there are further leaks along the way. But I'll definitely give you guys an update on this product, as well as come back with other cool reviews and news about the tech. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!